Welcome to I'm Finally Fit. In the world of fitness, muscle recovery is often the unsung hero of performance. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike, understanding the importance of recovery can be the difference between reaching your goals and hitting a plateau. When we push our bodies during workouts, we create tiny tears in our muscles. It's during the recovery phase that these muscles repair and grow stronger. Neglecting this crucial aspect can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even injury. In this video, we'll dive deep into the ultimate night routine designed to maximize muscle recovery. You can expect to learn practical tips and strategies that will help you wind down after a long day of training. From the best foods to consume before bed to the ideal sleep environment, we'll cover it all. But it doesn't stop there. By optimizing your night routine, you'll not only enhance your recovery, but also improve your overall performance. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to tackle your next workout with renewed vigor. So, if you're ready to take your fitness journey to the next level, stick around as we explore how a few simple changes to your night routine can lead to remarkable results. Creating a relaxing environment. Setting up a calming space is essential for optimal muscle recovery, and it all starts with the right atmosphere. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to promote relaxation is by dimming the lights. Soft lighting signals to your body that it's time to wind down, helping to reduce stress and prepare your mind for sleep. Additionally, minimizing noise can create a serene environment, allowing you to drift off without distractions. Consider using white noise machines or earplugs if you live in a noisy area. Next, let's talk about scents. Incorporating calming aromas like lavender or eucalyptus can significantly enhance your relaxation experience. These scents are known for their soothing properties and can help lower anxiety levels, making it easier for you to transition into a restful state. You might use essential oil diffusers or scented candles to fill your space with these calming fragrances. Finally, don't overlook the importance of temperature. Ensuring your room is at a comfortable temperature can greatly enhance sleep quality. Most experts recommend keeping your bedroom cool, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. By creating a relaxing environment with dim lighting, calming scents, and a comfortable temperature, you'll set the stage for a night of restorative sleep that supports your muscle recovery. Nutrition. Before bed, pre-sleep, nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle recovery, and what you eat before hitting the hay can significantly impact your performance the next day. One of the best strategies is to consume a protein-rich snack, such as Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. These foods are packed with casein protein, which digests slowly and provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids throughout the night, aiding in repair and growth. In addition to protein, incorporating complex carbohydrates into your evening snack can help sustain your energy levels. Foods like oatmeal not only provide essential nutrients, but also release energy gradually, preventing those midnight hunger pangs and ensuring you wake up feeling fueled and ready to tackle your workouts. While staying hydrated is essential for overall health and recovery, it's important to strike a balance. Drink enough water throughout the day, but try to limit excessive fluids right before bed to avoid those disruptive trips to the bathroom during the night. By focusing on a balanced pre-sleep nutrition plan that includes protein, complex carbohydrates, and mindful hydration, you'll set yourself up for optimal muscle recovery and improved performance, making your fitness goals more attainable. Stretching and foam rolling. Incorporating stretching and foam rolling into your nighttime routine can significantly enhance muscle recovery and promote relaxation. Performing gentle stretches before bed helps relieve muscle tension accumulated throughout the day. Not only does this practice improve flexibility, but it also prepares your body for a restful night's sleep. Simple stretches targeting major muscle groups can alleviate tightness and promote a sense of calm, making it easier to unwind. Foam rolling is another effective tool for muscle recovery. By using a foam roller to target sore muscles, you can enhance blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. This self-myofascial release technique helps break down knots and tightness in your muscles, allowing for better circulation and quicker recovery. Spending just a few minutes rolling out your legs, back, and other areas can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. To further enhance the benefits of stretching and foam rolling, incorporate deep breathing techniques into your routine. Focusing on your breath while you stretch or roll can promote relaxation and help clear your mind of daily stressors. This combination of gentle movement, targeted muscle relief, and mindful breathing creates a powerful pre-sleep ritual that not only aids in recovery but also sets the stage for a peaceful night's sleep. Sleep hygiene practices. Establishing good sleep hygiene practices is vital for enhancing recovery and ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle your fitness goals. One of the most effective strategies is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Proceeding to bed and getting up at the exact time day to day helps regulate your body's biorhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This consistency can lead to deeper, more restorative sleep, which is essential for muscle recovery. Another important practice is to limit screen time at least an hour before bed. The high energy visible light released by phones, tablets, and computers can intervene with the construction of melatonin, the chemical messengers responsible for regulating sleep. By reducing exposure to screens in the evening, you can improve your sleep quality and make it easier to drift off when you finally hit the pillow. Creating a bedtime routine is also crucial for signaling to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. By incorporating these essential sleep hygiene practices into your nightly routine, you'll not only enhance your recovery but also set yourself up for better overall health and well-being. Mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your nighttime routine can significantly enhance mental recovery, allowing you to unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. One effective method is practicing meditation or deep breathing exercises. These techniques help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm that is essential for both mental and physical recovery. Even just a few minutes of focused breathing can help clear your mind and set a peaceful tone for the evening. Another valuable practice is journaling. Taking the time to reflect on your day can help you process your thoughts and emotions, clearing your mind of any lingering worries. Writing down your experiences, achievements, or even things you're grateful for can create a positive mindset and make it easier to transition into sleep. Additionally, engaging in light reading or listening to calming music can be a wonderful way to unwind. Choose a book that inspires you or relaxes you, or create a playlist of soothing tunes that help you disconnect from the day's stresses. By incorporating these mindfulness and relaxation techniques into your evening routine, you'll not only enhance your mental recovery, but also create a tranquil environment that supports a deeper, more restorative sleep. We've discussed several key practices that can help you achieve this goal. First, creating a relaxing environment by dimming the lights, reducing noise, and incorporating calming scents sets the stage for a restful night. Next, focusing on pre-sleep nutrition, including protein-rich snacks and complex carbohydrates, ensures your body has the nutrients it needs for recovery. We also explored the benefits of stretching and foam rolling, which relieve muscle tension and improve blood flow. Additionally, maintaining good sleep hygiene practices such as a consistent sleep schedule and limiting screen time can significantly enhance the quality of your sleep. Finally, incorporating mindfulness techniques like meditation, journaling, and light reading can help clear your mind and promote relaxation. By implementing these practices into your nightly routine, you'll not only support your muscle recovery, but also improve your overall performance in your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these tips. Together, let's create a community focused on achieving our fitness goals through effective recovery strategies.